This is the Potential Pie Channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 1, Polokwane City 1. Cody, how do you feel about the game of time?
Very disappointed.
Yeah.
Nabengayifuni point yabona ngokusesi lwela nje top 8 league.
Seyihambile. Yeah, and sending lose 4 points in 2 games in a row.
If siqhubeka ngalendlela sizoqhubeka and Kondi. So zama le top 8
yeah
season. Andazi next season if sasebenza kanje andiboni
ngizile ucoach wenu ethi anikho patient
asikho patient because of the results. So angeke sibe patient thina sidinga results ezisupporters.
Yeah,
so asikwazi uba patient for ama-draw amaninzi
and then is a live stadium
yo sisuke Rustenburg mhlanje sibasokola mfowethu le sizobukela i-1-1
and ngempela abantu abangeni but let's hope ukuthi bazoshintsha bazolalela ama-video enu and then maybe bazoshintsha
into endiyicelayo mna andicela ukuthi ucoach atshintshe okwenzekayo. Yazi i-team enjengebhakaneni idinga someone ozothatha i-team ayibeke kuye, then asebenzise ingqondo abonakala ukuthi udlalela i-team enkulu. Ungazodlala lapho i-collective sidominate i-game up until i-last minute sidlala 1-1 sidlala not sidominate as ilento yakhona i-collective. Uthile umuntu ozothatha i-game ayithathe yonke ayithathele kuye, then andazi mana namajita lana andazi adlalelani. Ngibonile umsongani no-Lodge behlanganisa iphasi 1-2 and iphasi zabo mna ndizibonanga ukuthi zisilandelane.
Inkinga lapho ukuthi bagcina ibhola and then bagcina bangamnikezi umuntu akumele bamnikeze yona, kumele baphase bafuna ukukora, kumele bakora bafuna ukuphasa.
Sidinga umuntu ozofana no-Lodge last season leya, last season besino Saleng. This season asinamuntu siyakora nje ukuthi kuyakorwa, senza nje izinto nje ezithima, akunamuntu onenhliziyo ukuthi udlalela ibhakaniya. Thina ibhakaniya siyalifela, siyayazi singama-supporters webhakaniya. I-patience la thetha ngawo coach, i-patience soba nayo, makube khona umuntu ofunayo ubonakalisayo ukuthi yena uyayilwela ibhakaniya. Siyababona uRasmus besikade sibathemba mara abasabonakala, uyabafaka after abafakile asiboni into ayenzileyo. So sizokwazi ukuthi next match azoqala igame awukwazi uphinda umbuyise futhi akacontributhanga kangako yena simbonile thatha amathatha ayi-2 kodwa sidinga i-individual brilliance, sidinga umuntu ozothi i-team i-Pirates idlalela i-Pirates and ibheju uyayithanda, hayi nje kanjani.
Nice one my brother. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Asithembe ukuthi ngokuzayo bazoshintsha,
basiphathele le MTN 8 otherwise sofana ne-Chiefs siyajula izinto zonke sijula izinto kanje nge-Chiefs ifokasi nayo le-Black siyabaxolela kule league yakho basifake basibisele ile top 8 siyabaxolela kodwa ikhalingi mabaze nayo angeke sisokole kangaka, sisube kuthi sizohlala nje.
No, asithembe ukuthi
siyahlekwa ngabantu everyday badlala ngathi bahleka nalo iSundowns yabona lizosihleka
lizomnandi
lizwa kamnandi. Hayi
ngiyabonga mfethu, sorry man.